last year and it was really good. Yeah, it's just a good day out really.
Second year we've come. If you're a dog lover, just turn up, you'll love it.
There's so much here to do, and it's a great day out for the dog as well. It's been really enjoyable, and that's what draws us to them.
I've probably been to it ever since it started, so many times. It's one of the better shows out there on the circuit.
All About Dogs today has been amazing. We've had thousands of lovely, friendly dogs to the event. It truly is a great day out. All About Dogs is coming to a town near you. Visit www.allaboutdogshow.co.uk for your nearest show.